up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mackenzie. I post videos once a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I wanted to do a little college night routine. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. Okay, my hair not working today. Also, look how greasy my hair is. That's on our agenda today. I just had a very long day of school. I actually only really had one 50-minute class, but I was doing homework all the way up into my class, and Q was over, so I was hanging out with him for a little bit. But now it is like 5:45 or 6. So yeah, I just had a day at school, came home. I actually ran some errands with Q. I am needing to shower really bad. Also, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by BELIF. Thank you, BELIF, for working with me in this video. Okay, so we're gonna shower because this is not working out for me. I got my hair done, as you guys saw in my last video, and it's like brownish now. I mean, it's still like pretty blonde, but there's definitely added more brown to it, which I'm really excited about. It's easier to tell when my hair is like completely down and not like tossed and turned. I'm actually gonna clean my room really quickly before I do it because I hate coming out of the shower and then like picking up my room and like kind of sweating a little bit. So let's do that.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now.
This is not it. Okay, so I have some remainder makeup that I have not taken off, so I'm gonna do that really quickly using the BELIF Aquabon Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. And these are really good because I have really sensitive skin to makeup removers, and this has been honestly a dream. So this is what it looks like, little balm. It's great. So we're gonna use, oh my god, we're gonna use this. And then use this cute little headband that's from BELIF. Great. Take a little. I've been kind of bad at like making sure everything is off my face throughout the day, or like before I shower. The Aquabon Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm is an explosively hydrating 3-step texture transforming cleansing balm that completely and gently removes all traces of makeup while leaving the skin smooth and moisturized. There are so many beneficial key ingredients such as lotus flower, marshmallow root, and lady's mantle, which are super good for the skin. And a great plus is that the Aquabon Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm is now available at Sephora.com and has been in stores since August 21st. We're back. Now that my face is all clean, I need to bring back that moisture that was there. This, you guys, I swear if you take anything from this video, take this. This is the BELIF, the True Cream Aquabon. Can we talk about this? You don't need that much because a little goes a very long way, but that intense moisture. This is a lightweight gel cream that floods the skin with a burst of hydration and revives dull skin. It's clinically tested to boost the skin's hydration levels by 70%. The Aquabon always has and always will be the #1 choice for a gel cream moisturizer. It's always hydrating, always moisturizing, and it's super necessary in my skincare routine no matter what other products I'm using. So good, especially with this dry weather, you guys. These are my go-tos. They make my skin feel like I'm literally coming home from a facial. Let's go back to my room now that my skincare is all done. Okay, hi, and welcome to my room. The good thing about that Aquabon is it doesn't leave your face feeling tacky, which sometimes other like really intense hydration creams do. So both the links to the Aquabon Cleansing Balm and the True Cream Aquabon are both linked down below for you guys to hop on that. Okay, so now we're gonna do some little hair care. So first of all, I'm going to put some Olaplex in there because my hair is damaged. Really focusing on those ends because that's where I need the most help, is my ends. And then I'm going to take a wet brush and just brush my hair. This helps because it doesn't like rip out my hair when I'm brushing it, especially because my hair is so thick, so it saves my scalp. And then I'm going to use this Kristen S Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream just to have my hair dry nicely. And then lastly, I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner mostly on my ends. Now I think dinner's ready. We're having pasta. I'm so excited. So let's go downstairs and check it out. I wanted to show you guys, look how cute. So my friend Kate, if you're watching this, hi Kate, she saw this necklace in a store and it is so cute, you guys. And she's like, Kenzie, do you want this? And I'm like, yes. It's a little cute. Can you see that? It's so cute. It's like this rose gold kind of color. And yeah, I just thought I would show you guys that. Super cute. I'm gonna put it on right now. You can't even see it really, but it's right there. Cute. Okay, and then also look at these little disposables. So we went to Palm Springs about 3 months ago. Cute. This one's of Q holding up a Coors Light. This one's of me and Q playing beer pong. This one's of my friends Bobby and Delaney and Kate and Q. Bobby, Delaney, Kate, or wait, Kate and Q. Sorry. This is of Q and Jake. Q cutting up a lime for his Rona. Kate, me and Q with a champagne bottle. And all the girls holding up a shot. Gross. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you also because such cute memories. It is now 7:12 and I have some homework to do. I don't know how much homework I have to do. I think I only have a little bit left. And then I want to like organize some things in my closet that I've been putting off for a very long time. Let's do some homework. Do you ever feel so overwhelmed with school that you just put it away? That's what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna light a candle to de-stress that bit. Spiced pumpkin. This candle is really loud. It has like those thick wicks. Okay, so now this is what we need to tackle, guys. These drawers are beyond unorganized. Like there's no rhyme or reason to any of these. Most of those drawers are like hair care products. I need a little bit more organization in that department. So I'm just gonna go through and organize and everything and hopefully figure something out. Okay, so I've gotten a lot done. Let me show you. So I reorganized these drawers like I was telling you. Don't mind this. This is self-tanner. But in here, and in here we got like face stuff. So like face makeup, highlight, some skincare stuff. In here we have some eye products back there and just random like facial bleach and these temporary tattoo things. So we have self-tan, lips, hair products, extensions, more hair products and like tools and stuff. In here we have my electronics drawer. I don't really mess with this. I don't care if it's organized or not because they're just cords and wires and stuff. And then here is just like my crafty kind of drawer. So now it has more of like a rhyme and a reason. Glad that's done with. And then I realized how much. So right now I'm going to Q's to deliver all of his clothes that I have because I have way too many and they take up too much room in my closet because they're so big. So I'm gonna go to his house really quickly and just drop it off and come back. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Again, thank you to BELIF for partnering with me. All links will be down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.